What's good, everybody? My name is Phatty. Welcome back to another video. FL Studio 20.9 is officially here. Now, we've talked about some of the effects that's been added in previous videos, but that was when it was in a beta. So I just want to go over the two effects they added and a little bit in Patcher and some of the stuff that they added with that. But I'm going to link down the official image line video that explains all this because there's so much that they added. We're mostly just going to focus on some new effects here, okay? So it's going to be a super quick video just to kind of recap things. So they added two new effects. One is called the pitch shifter. The other is called the vintage chorus. We've done a video on both of these. I'm going to have the pitch shifter linked in the top right now if you want to check that out. And then here in a few seconds, there will be a vintage chorus video that will be linked in the top right corner of this video as well if you want to check that out. We're going to be doing a lot more videos on these now that they're officially out. We'll do some updated videos and get really deep into these effects. But essentially, the pitch shifter is just how it sounds. You go into your effects and it's going to be able to shift pitches of any different sound signals that you run through it. Now, you do have to have the all plugins bundle, the highest tier of FL Studio, to get this. So, it's unfortunate that it's not free for the lower tiers, but it is a very powerful plugin. Then we also have the vintage chorus plugin, which we've talked before, but it models a Juno 6 chorus effect. I forget exactly which one it was, but more info can be found on that in the description. It's really awesome. I've been using this a lot when I've been messing with the beta, and it gets so much just warmth and just instant awesome sauce to whatever you put it on. So definitely don't sleep on this. And then now the other thing that I wanted to talk about was with Patcher. So if we go to the channel rack and we hit the plus and then we add Patcher in, you can see that it actually has like a little mini map down here now. Okay, you can press M on your keyboard to turn that on and off, or you can go up into the settings right here, turn the mini map on or off, and you can put a better size. You can put it in a different position. But yeah, that's pretty awesome in my opinion. That's just so dope that they added that, because sometimes you can get crazy patcher chains going on in here, and having a little mini map when you're zoomed in is perfect. So, like for example, if you see some crazy shit like this, we drag it out. When you're zoomed in, you can kind of see where you're at. But this is insane. This is a lot of stuff. But there's a lot of patcher presets that come with crazy shit like this. So it's definitely a cool little addition. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to talk about some new effect changes. They also did some stuff with new time and a few other things. Like I said, go check out the full video. It'll be the top link in the description. That image line released, and they dive deep into everything. But we're gonna be talking more about vintage chorus, more about pitch shifter, and a lot more about Patcher in the upcoming videos. So yeah, stay tuned for that. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Much love, y'all. Peace.